Hi, my name is Vinodni, and today I'm gonna discuss the model I have created for my given use case. The problem I'm addressing is dynamic pricing optimization in retail and e-commerce. To tackle this problem, I have created my first model, which is classification model using the random forest classifier. Even we have many classification algorithms. The reason why I chose this random forest is because, as we know, random forest is widely used machine learning algorithm that combines the outputs of multiple decision trees and arrive at a single conclusion based on the majority. It is ease of use in the flexibility, hence it's a popular choice, and the reason why I took is also same because of its flexibility, as well as it can handle both classification and regression problems. Now we quickly move on to the coding part. First we need to import the required library. NumPy, Pandas, Scikit-learn are some of the packages, and we can also use the other packages which are required for our model. Here I've just used what are the packages required for my model would be NumPy, Pandas, and Ensemble Learning, which is used for my model creation. Then metrics like accuracy, and for pre-processing I've used standard scalar. Next, we move on to the loading of the data. Here, I have just created the data using NumPy and Pandas, or we can also load the data from various other sources. Then, after loading the data, I've segregated them into dependent and independent variables. In my data, I have the columns like selling price, competitor price, stock level. These columns are independent variable. So, yeah, we move on to the next segment would be the dependent and independent variables. So, the independent variables are the x variables which does not depend on the outcome factor, whereas the target variable y depends on the independent variables. So, that's the outcome factor. Next, I'm doing feature scaling in order to standardize the features and improve the model performance. Next, I'm splitting my data into training and testing values. So, using train test split. Next, using random forest classifier, I'm building a model so which is idle for classification task. Next, using metrics accuracy, I'm predicting my model's performance. So this is just a short glimpse of my code overview.